Now that I've flattened this notch out of here, I need to, there's a rabbet, 1/4 inch deep, 1/4 inch wide rabbet that goes around here, both on the top surface and the bottom surface. So I need a knife cut that is 1/4 inch off of this face. Also up here, but for the front joint, this is square here, and I can use just a regular marking gauge set at 1/4 inch. Ooh, that's not 1/4 inch, but anyway, you get the idea. This I could create that knife cut 1/4 inch off of this face using this tool, both on the top and the bottom. But here I can't use this. It won't work. But another option that seems to work very well is to use this Starrett square, adjustable square, with this 1/4 inch distance set here. Now I can use this to butt up against that surface, and I've got a straight edge, so to speak. Now, if I can just fasten this down so it doesn't shift around on me. Let me go over here. Now, should be able to, and I can go right to the up there. And I can just shift it down. Now, do I go like this? Oh yeah, it'll go in there. Now I've got a good knife cut here that I'll be able to get my chisel into that groove to create that little rabbet. With the router, I'll route down a 1/4 inch deep, but not to the line. I'll stay off the line and clear that out with hand tools, with a chisel. So this little tool saves an issue there.